Okay,
Here is good.
pick your starting position.
Let's cut loose. Let's cut loose.
Here.
Here is good.
Good! You chose your position.
For victory!
Let's rock!
Found some items. Stragglers get turned to ash.
One lucky fighter
Found
spawns
some items.
Level up. That item would be a blessing. Level up. Level up. OT, level up.
All right.
There is an item here. Please use it.
Everyone's in the safe area. Good.
There is an item here.
Found
Please
some
use
items.
it.
Found some items. Found some items. To the limit.
Level up. Level up.
One down already! You're all out for blood, aren't you?
Level up.
The safe area has moved. This report brought to you by Present Mike. Full force! Oh!
Level up.
My target is over here. Change my mind.
Power of protection. My soul is renewed.
Item box appeared! Finders!
I see trash. Change my mind.
Oh dear.
Have you got 30 seconds before the safe area moves? Better check on your own.
Divine protection. Level up.
Over here.
The time will come. Precision. Everyone is in the safe area. Surely due to proper guidance.
Not yet.
The enemy's attacking. Watch out.
Judgment is now.
Over here.
Oh dear. Level up.
There's an item box! Move quick or it'll get snapped up! Looking forward to it.
Piercing through.
How's that? Not yet. No escape. Too bad.
Give up.
New safe area established. If you're not in it, what are you doing? Here goes.
The enemy's attacking. Watch out.
Level up. Level up. Oh dear. Level up. Power of divine protection. Path of thorns. Noble to hide.
Not yet.
An enemy attack. Annoying.
Stop it once.
30 seconds!
Next blaze will be even bigger.
Found you.
Careful! Enemies ahead!
Over here. How's that?
Nourish my vine.
Looking forward to it.
Stand down.
Won't let you.
Vision. Level up.
Everyone's in the safe area. Good.
Oh dear.
All right.
There was an item here. Please use it.
Not yet.
Power of protection.
Over here.
Purify. Found you.
The enemy's attacking! Watch out!
Just nobody.
Found you. Imprisonment.
Over here. You
We're gonna win!
waiting for? A box appeared. The safe area has moved. This report brought to you by Present Mic.
No sweat.
My soul is renewed.
3 teams left. A moment of weakness could be defeated, so stay on your guard.
Nice.
See ya.
Power of divine protection. Piercing through.
The enemy's attacking! Watch out!
Discuss not yet. Being attacked by an enemy. Not yet.
30 seconds before the safe area moves. Better pick up
An enemy attack! Annoying. I'm on my way!
With this,
Here goes! Nobody's in the safe area. Better hurry.
Oh dear.
Careful! Enemies ahead! I'm on my way!
The thorns.
Not yet. Here it comes.
that's all you got?
See ya.
Visual eye!
Stop it once.
Over here.
Where you go?
Stop it. Not yet. Safe area.
My vines are imprisoned.
Let's dance.
We're gonna win!
Just a nobody.
Right here!
Next blaze will be even bigger.
Power of protection.
The excitement is killing me.
Oh dear.
Oh,
I'm all set.
There's an item box. Move quick.
Everyone is outside the safe area. Watch out.
I see trash. Should I burn it?
Eyes!
Change my mind.
Careful! Enemies ahead!
Anyone use this?
Careful! Enemies ahead!
Piercing through.
Final battle has
The thorns. We're being attacked by an enemy.
Face area. I warn you when it's gonna move. No mercy.
We're gonna win!
My soul is renewed.
Can you dodge this?
Not yet!
You can't.
The enemy attack! Watch out!
Annoying.
Show you!
This is comforting.
Not good! I need some help!
Protect us.
That's amazing! I won't hold back!
The next blaze will be even bigger.
Oh dear. Level up. Nowhere to hide.
Can you dodge this?
We're being attacked by an enemy.
Coming at you.
Penance.
Go to hell.
Feel the way.
Turn to
I
ash.
apprehend you. The time will come.
You can't take it.
Cradle of Penance.
Can you dodge this?
Here they are, the team that overcame it all to capture victory.
Whatever.
Blessed by the heavens. Many people will say, I accept this wonderful item.